class will be short because today we only will cover the gaseous exchange in plant. So actually in plant we only have two topic learning outcome only as mentioned by MPM. So you will see the MPM sukatan just only you need to learn about the structure and function of stomata and then the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata only. Just these two outcomes. So actually it's very short and easy topics. Okay, so firstly I will talk about the stomata structure and stomata structure. Okay, so I think everyone know what is stomata, right? Stomata or stoma. So stomata or stoma, one is singular, one is plural. So please alert lah for the grammatical terms. Okay, I think the structure of stoma, everyone is clear. Nobody is not know. I think this one you learn in SP, even though in SPN you already learn it, so you know that this is the structure of stoma lah. So stoma, so this is the stoma structure of the stoma. So normally stomata is flanked at the space between two gut cells. So there are two gut cells at here. Yeah, in this one. So this whole structure we call as stomata, and then this cell we call as gut cell. Right. And then we know that know that stomata normally is located at the lower epidermis of the leaf, right? Right. Okay. So normally gut cells, what are the function of the gut cell? Normally it is control the diameter of the stoma by changing their shape through the widening the gap between the gut cell bed. So normally gut cell is the cell that play the role in opening or closing either one it is one to open or close the stomata. So by changing the shape, so it will change the shape by later we will see it the mechanism of opening and closing. Okay, so normally gut cells are in the kidney or bean shape. So you see that it is kidney or bean shape. So it's same as the shape is same as like a human kidney lah or bean. And then normally the gut cell for the inner cell wall is thicker than outer cell wall one. This is the one of the unique characteristic. The inner cell wall of the gut cell is thicker than outer cell wall. So why it want to like that? Later we will see it about in the terms of mechanism. So if in terms of mechanism, you will know why the inner cell wall must be thicker than outer cell wall. Okay, and then the gut cell also contain microfiber that is arranged radially in the gut cell that play an important role in opening and closing of stoma. Okay, so normally this first is about the structure of the stomata. Then we go to function. So normally the main function of stomata is play the role of gaseous exchange. So all of the not only human want to have a role in gaseous exchange, plant also have because plant need to exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen for photosynthesis also, and also cellular respiration because plant can undergo both mechanism both metabolism, either photosynthesis and cellular respiration, right? Both also can. So they also need to absorb absorb or carbon dioxide, release oxygen, or absorb oxygen, release carbon dioxide based on the mechanism given lah. So in photosynthesis, then it absorb carbon dioxide lah. But in cellular respiration, then it release carbon dioxide. So you need to know lah. So normally it is the places where the gases is come out or come in. Okay, and then it also function as the regulation of water in plant. Yeah, this one function later we will learn in chapter 8. Transport in plant. Which is the transpiration pool mechanism. So transport in plant. So actually stomata also very important in regulation of water lah. So normally the water also will pass through this structure. Okay, almost 95% of water vapor in plant will escape through stomata, and then this ensure that water can be transported from the root to leaf by transpiration. So this one is actually the simple for the transpiration pool process. So later we will learn more detail in chapter 8. Now maybe you are not know, or maybe you already forget. I think this one you also learn in SPM, right? transport in plant. I think SPM got also got learn. So, but never mind, you already forget. Never mind. Later we will learn it in chapter 8 lah. Okay. Okay. So the release of citric acid under the water defeat condition will cause the stomata course to prevent water from flow. So this one you also learn in chapter 9, control and regulation. Right, about the citric acid is one type of plant hormone. It play the role to prevent the water loss from plant one. So this one is one type of hormone. Later you will learn in chapter 9, chapter 3 lah for this semester. Will about the plant part, plant hormone part. So yeah, so you see, it is highly related lah. So this is I just want to give a image for you to you learn for it. So afterward, chapter 8 and chapter 9, you will go back through this stomata again. Because this is the function highly related lah for the stomata. But in this chapter, you will not only focus on all about the structure of stomata and the general function. But in exam, if the exam essay question, when they ask about the functioning of the stomata, you need to mention all lah, and you is as an exam you need to mention in detail, not just like this in simple way, because in exam you already learn all chapters, so you should able to elaborate in detail about the function. So that's all for stomata structure and function. So actually it's very easy and quite copy. And now